Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing video of Pulsar Xlite V3 Size 2, which is the medium size. So just looking around the box, it is a very well built box with a matte finish and a glossy finish as well. Coming in at just 53 grams with 2 years warranty. I would say it's quite a good mouse for, I think I paid £63 for it. So just picking this up right now, it feels extremely light. It's one of the lightest mouse I've ever used, and it's got quite a nice click to it. So you can see the hollow bottom, and it uses USB-C for charging, which is one of my main reasons why I bought this. Some sound test. Now digging a little bit deeper. So it comes with a mouse placement box, and also a bigger box and a smaller box. So in here, I'm guessing it's where the wires are stored. It's really nice looking box here. And just looking at the wire, it's actually a really good quality. It's almost a wire wrapped around a piece of cloth. So it feels really nice to the finger. And even if you use wire with the mouse, I think it'll feel like there's no wire at all. Yeah, I'm really happy with the quality. And let's see what else is in the box. So we have some paperworks. I'm guessing just to explain how to use the mouse and the software that you can download. I'm not going to open this up and show you everything, just not needed. Yeah, I really like the design. Pulsar Xlite V3 and the diagram of each of the mouse buttons and the LED buttons, what they mean, each of the colors, etc. And this is a really interesting thing, which is the card they give you. It's almost like a trading card of Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon of some sort. Yeah, I was really impressed by that. And you get the little sticker. And I think that's pretty much all the paperwork. And this is a dongle. This is not the 4K dongle. This is just an extension. So you can connect your USB directly to your laptop or your PC. But if your PC is located further away, you can use the included wire, connect the wire to your PC, and bring the dongle closer to your mouse so you get a better connection. I think this is what they're trying to go for. Yeah, there's a demonstration of that. Yeah, that's everything inside the box. So now you can see me using the mouse a little bit. I'll just show you the glide. Just clicking around. Fits nicely with my hand. And the side button sounds really good, clicky. No complaints so far for first impression. But I'll keep using it, play some games, and maybe I'll make a extended review of this mouse. Let me know what do you guys think.